Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore thought provoking topics that challenge conventional wisdom. Today we have come up with a controversial subject of the law of attraction. Is it an actual principle that can transform lives, or is it simply a hoax? Are they fooling you? Now, before we dive in and understand whether it truly empowers or misleads, make sure to like this video. If you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss any interesting videos on our channel. The law of attraction has gained immense popularity in recent years, thanks to books like The Secret and countless self-help gurus advocating its principles. At its core, the law of attraction suggests that thoughts and emotions have the power to attract positive or negative experiences into our lives. Take the example of Louise Hay, who wrote the interesting bestseller book You Can Heal Your Life. She was a cancer patient who believed focusing positively helped her heal from cancer. After months of positive thinking and affirmations, her symptoms diminished. She attributed this to the law of attraction. But is there really any scientific basis for this claim? Do positive thoughts and energies only attract positive outcomes, and do negative thoughts attract negative results? Let's understand what the basic principles of the law of attraction say. 1. Thoughts become things. Your dominant thoughts create your reality by influencing the universe to bring you corresponding experiences. 2. Like attracts like. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes and negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. The universe responds to the vibrational frequency of your thoughts. 3. Gratitude. Being grateful for what you already have attracts more of the same into your life. Practicing gratitude shifts your thoughts in a positive direction. 4. Visualization. Visualizing yourself already experiencing your desires helps manifest them by focusing your thoughts and energy in a positive way. 5. The power of intention. Setting clear intentions and focusing on them single-mindedly increases the law of attraction's power to bring you what you want. While the law of attraction does contain some truths, positive thinking correlates with better outcomes. It also comes with limitations. 1. It ignores external factors. The law of attraction claims that thoughts alone attract outcomes, but in reality, many external factors beyond our control also influence results. Opportunities. We may not control when opportunities arise that help us achieve our goals. Skill. We need certain skills, talents, and abilities to accomplish some goals. Law of attraction doesn't consider this. Effort. Goals typically require hard work and action, not just positive thinking. Luck, chance events, and randomness play a role in life that law of attraction doesn't account for. 2. It promotes wishful thinking. Law of attraction can lead people to see what they want to see rather than an accurate view of reality. This wishful thinking bias exaggerates the power of positive thinking. 3. It lacks evidence. There is little scientific research supporting the idea that positive thoughts alone reliably attract desired outcomes. 4. It ignores negative emotions. Law of attraction suggests constantly focusing on positive thoughts, but negative emotions are a natural part of life that we must learn to accept and work through. 5. It deprioritizes action. Law of attraction advocates merely visualization of outcomes rather than taking concrete steps through skill development and behavioral change to achieve goals. But then you might be wondering, what about the countless success stories shared by individuals who claim that the law of attraction has worked for them? Anecdotal evidence, while compelling, is not the same as scientific evidence. It's essential to critically examine such claims. People often forget that success can be attributed to various factors such as hard work, perseverance, and opportunity. The law of attraction is not a magic wand that can override these factors. While the law of attraction may sound appealing and promising, The scientific evidence supporting its claims is lacking. Rigorous scientific research does not support the notion that thoughts alone can cause specific outcomes in our lives. It's important to distinguish between personal beliefs and scientific evidence. Many proponents of the law of attraction argue that if you think positively, you will attract positive experiences. While optimism and positive thinking can certainly have a beneficial impact on one's mental well being, they don't guarantee the fulfillment of all desires. Some motivational speakers and self proclaimed gurus even exploit the law of attraction for their own benefit. While there are certainly genuine teachers who promote positive thinking and personal growth, there are others who overpromise what positive thinking alone can achieve. They often sell wishful thinking rather than encouraging individuals to develop real world skills and put in the necessary effort to pursue their dreams. The key isn't attracting what you want through thoughts, but becoming the person who achieves goals through effort. Focus less on having and more on becoming. The rest will follow. Positive thinking alone won't manifest dreams, but personal growth and action definitely will. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. We keep coming up with positive and value-adding content that makes a difference for you and the people around you. Our content is focused on the areas of education, entertainment, spirituality, health and fitness, and many more. You can visit our website and stay hooked on our daily articles. A link to our website is given in the description box below. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends if you find it useful. Till then, be healthy, happy and safe. See you in the next video.